Welcome to Neo with Vision on YouTube. Are you ready to discover how you can make up to $200 a day with the help of cutting-edge technology like ChatGPT and Amazon KDP? If you're interested in learning more about how disruptive technologies can help you make money, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. You won't want to miss out on this exciting opportunity to increase your income stream. Are you ready to turn your writing skills into cold, hard cash? It's easier than you think with just 3 simple steps. First, choose an idea that you have personal experience with. This will help you write authentic, high-quality books that readers will love. Next, let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. This powerful AI tool can generate ideas, outlines, and even full drafts in just minutes, saving you time and effort. Finally, self-publish your masterpiece on Amazon KDP and reach a global audience of eager readers. With Kindle Direct Publishing, it's easy to sell your books online and start making money. Let's get started. If you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for writing into a lucrative career, 2023 is the year to make it happen. With ChatGPT and Amazon KDP, you can create and sell high-quality books faster and more efficiently than ever before. Imagine being able to write a book in just a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. With ChatGPT, that's a reality. And by publishing your work on Amazon KDP, you can reach a vast audience of readers and start making money from your writing. Don't let the old ways hold you back. By embracing disruption and becoming an early adopter of cutting-edge technology like ChatGPT, you can gain a significant advantage over the competition. Now is the time to seize the opportunity and start making money with your writing. Are you ready to turn your writing into a profitable business? Then let's head over to Amazon KDP. I'll provide the links for Amazon KDP and ChatGPT in the video description below. Once you're logged into Amazon KDP, you'll see your bookshelf, which lists all of your books that are in draft or are published. Before we create a new book, it's important to make sure your account information is complete. This includes setting up your addresses, tax information, and other details. Don't worry, it's easy to do. Just click on the Account Info tab on the top of the page to update your information. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll be focusing on creating a new book. Simply click the big Create button on the top of the page, and follow the prompts to enter your book's details and upload your content. Ready to take your book to the next level? With Amazon KDP, you can easily offer multiple formats, from ebooks to paperbacks to hardcovers. This is a great idea because it allows you to cater to a wide range of reader preferences. In this video, we'll start with a simple ebook. First, select the language you want to use. English is a popular choice, but it also has a lot of competition. You can also choose your local language to potentially stand out in a different market. Next, it's time to choose your book title. For this, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a catchy, attention-grabbing title that will help your book stand out in the crowded ebook market. Are you ready to write the ultimate weight loss guide? With ChatGPT, generating a catchy and compelling title is a breeze. Simply tell the AI what you're interested in writing about, and it will suggest a variety of titles for you to choose from. If you're not satisfied with the first set of options, just ask for more until you find the perfect title. For example, I'm interested in writing about weight loss. I ask ChatGPT for a title, and it suggests the weight loss solution, simple strategies for lasting results. This title sounds great to me, so I decide to go with it. Next, we need to create an outline for our book. An outline helps us organize our thoughts and ideas, ensuring that our content flows smoothly and makes sense to readers. ChatGPT can help with this too, generating a detailed and well-organized structure for our content. As we review the outline, it's clear that this book is going to be a winner. The chapters are logical and engaging, and I can imagine readers being eager to dive in and start learning about how to lose weight. During the book generation process, we'll save our progress in a Google document. This makes it easy to access our work from anywhere and make edits as needed. When we're ready to publish, we can simply upload our Google Doc to Amazon KDP. It's that easy. Now that we have our outline, it's time to start writing our chapters. And with ChatGPT, we can do it in record time. Simply tell the AI what you want to write about, and it will generate a complete chapter for you. All you have to do is copy and paste the content into your Google Doc. Of course, you'll want to customize the writing to fit your personal experiences and style for the best quality. However, even with this extra step, the AI-assisted writing process can still increase your productivity by at least 10 times. Imagine being able to write a book in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. It's an amazing time saver. As you work on each chapter, be sure to save your progress in your Google document. This makes it easy to access your work from anywhere and make edits as needed. Now that we have our book written and saved in our Google Doc, it's time to head back to Amazon KDP and get it published. The process is super straightforward and easy to follow. First, enter your book's title and subtitle. These should be catchy and attention-grabbing to help your book stand out in the crowded ebook market. Next, enter your name as the author. You can also add a description of your book to give readers an idea of what it's about. You can use ChatGPT to generate a compelling description that will make readers want to learn more. The remaining fields are straightforward and easy to complete. Just select the appropriate options and click Continue. Before we can publish our book on Amazon KDP, we need to design a cover and upload our manuscript. Once we've done this, Amazon KDP will show us a preview of our book so we can see how it will look to readers. Keep in mind that in this preview, you may notice that the formatting of the text is not perfect. This is because we didn't put any extra effort into formatting the text in this video. In a real book that you want to publish, you'll definitely want to take the time to properly format your text, including adding headings, bullet points, and other formatting elements to make it easy to read and look professional. By putting in a little extra effort up front, you'll be able to create a book that looks great and is more likely to be successful on Amazon KDP. We're almost there. The final step to publishing our book on Amazon KDP is to set a price. As you can see, we have the option to set different prices for different countries, depending on market demand and other factors. Pricing strategy can be complex, so it's important to conduct research and analyze the competition to find a competitive price that will increase your overall revenue. You may want to consider offering discounts or promotions to help drive sales and attract more readers. And that's it for today's video. I hope you've learned how to make money using ChatGPT and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. If you want more content like this, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's make even more money in the next video. Thanks for watching.